Alright, we're going to cover fraud. I just wanted to go and scan this document for you as well. So anytime somebody trying to do fraud tactics or using fraud tactics against you, alright, this is the definition. This is the definition. Definition. Alright. Anybody trying to use fraud tactics against you, these are case laws that you should have in your arsenal, in your case law portfolio, or whatever, however you save your information, however you collect or archive your information. Alright, this is case laws, you know what I mean? And these case laws are pertaining to situations that took place. And you may have a situation that take place, you understand? And you may need a case law like this. So you need to always let your attorneys or whoever you have representing you, or if you represent yourself, let them know that you know these case laws. You don't just have an attorney represent you and you don't have the opportunity to even know what's going on. You just sitting there, let somebody represent you. You don't know what the hell or what they're talking about, what's going on. Know about these case laws, read these case laws, put them on game, because a lot of them don't know a lot of these case laws. A lot of them never covered a lot of these case laws, and the ones that did cover the case laws, they're not going to really tell you their arsenal. Ain't no lawyer. There's no lawyer on the planet that's going to tell you their arsenal and what they have inside of their arsenal. And I'm telling you, they have a lot in their arsenal, but a lot of them are just plain ignorant, you know what I mean, to the fact that they don't think that the public have the free opportunity to learn law because they're not a lawyer, or because they didn't take the bar, or because they didn't go to school to become a lawyer. Alright? The public have an opportunity to learn. You can learn whatever you want to learn. You can teach whatever you want to teach. You can educate whoever you want to educate if you know what you're talking about. It's self-explanatory. It's not. Law is not. I don't feel law is the highest form of man. It's not. I believe that, common sense is the highest form, and nature. Nature is higher form, more higher than what they got going on creating these laws. So, like, this to me is beneath me, you know what I'm saying, and what it is, given a chance that I can look at the information. Now, if you don't want to give me the information so I can look at, and I can interpret for myself, and then you always in the mix trying to tell me what it is, and you don't want to listen to what I have to say, or you don't want to, you want to be ignorant against what's written. This is written. Don't be ignorant against what's written. It's written right there, and this is votes from the. You can't be ignorant against this when the Supreme Court has made these decisions. Lawyers can't be mad about this because the Supreme Court made these decisions. Either you know or you don't know, and that's where the conflict comes in. And most people don't know, so they're not here to win for you. Or you have to pimp the lawyer. You have to pimp the attorney. You know what I'm saying? You're the citizen, right? If you're a citizen of that corporation, or you're the natural person, either you one or the other. But a natural person is going to represent themselves because they don't even roll like that. Because they have common sense to understand that nobody can tell you more about me than me. Nobody can be me but me, and that's a fact. I don't dislike what they do, but it is what they do. That's where they at. They chose that profession. They chose that to go down that line. I'm just a natural person, and that's all that I ever wanted to be. So I believe that that's the highest form of person you can ever be. That's higher than the president. A natural person, in propria persona, is higher than the president of the United States of America. Ask Joe Biden. Ask Trump. They'll tell you. And if they tell you it's not, they're lying to you because they don't want you to know the truth. Period. Either you know that because we the people. Go read the Constitution. Power comes from the people. The government don't have nothing to give. Nothing. They don't even have the credit. They don't even print the Federal Reserve notes. The government has nothing to give. But it takes everything. So, in the end of the day, check out the case laws. Go do your research. I'm Maurice Bay, and I'm out.